Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 4 of this hexagon shape. My mathematical guru sent me this file. I don't know if I'm going to do it exactly like he suggested, but it gave me some good ideas. I'm going to draw a 2-point line, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to rotate it 3.75 degrees. Which is the half of the 750, and then or 7.5, then I'm going to duplicate it, I'm going to mirror it. So that is and the reason I did it like that, so I'd have a parallel item to work with. Now I'm going to take my polygon tool, I'm going to go ahead and go to 6-sided, like we did in the first videos. And I'm going to put this one right there, but I'm going to go ahead and size it between those two lines. So I'm going to lower it in size. And then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to bring one about right here. And see that I put it in the middle, or approximately the middle. I'm going to hold down the shift key and bring it in until it fits inside that box. I wish I would have started drawing in hairline, because I really like drawing in hairline. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit F12, and I'm going to go, I don't care what color right now, I'm just going to draw in hairline. Then I'll select all this, and I'll make them hairlines. Just a habit to make it, to me, you can see more. So now I'm going to grab these two hexagons or polygons. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to try 8 times, and you can see that they're staggered. They're more, accelerated to one side. So I'm going to select them all. I'm going to go to Object, break the blend apart. Then I'm going to select them all and go to Object, group and ungroup them. And then I'm going to open up the Docker Align and Distribute. So I'm going to go Docker and go to Align and Distribute. And I'm going to select them all. And I'm going to go right here to the last one, which will put them evenly spaced apart. I think this is going to be a lot better than before. You can see those are pretty equal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these and group them. I am going to Control D to duplicate it. Alternate C, I'm on the wrong, I don't have it on this version of Corel. So I'm going to double click and move it to the center of the page. I'm not sure I'm there. I'll double check it. You know what? I can bring in some indexing lines that'll help me. Turn them on, hit that one and hit P. And now I can see if I'm there, and I'm there. So now I'm going to rotate it at 7.5 degrees. Now they're a little bit off. They're touching. So what I'm going to do now is take this and ungroup it. And I'm going to take this one out of the picture and use the next one that's smaller and place it. It would have been better if I would have made another line. So let me get that line, and it might be a group. No, it's a curve. So I'm going to duplicate it and rotate it. I've already got the 3.75, so I'm going to go plus 7.5, and that gives me another line to kind of put it in the middle of that. So I'm going to take this one and just kind of put it like right there in the middle. Now I'm going to delete this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I'll move the other one, try to move it outwardly, and then just kind of move it manually. Now I'm going to shift select the other box. And since we blended 8 times a while ago, this time I'm only going to blend 7. So I'm going to knock it down 1 and then blend it. Now, I don't think align and distribute is going to work on this, but we're going to go ahead and go to object and break the blend apart. It's still selected, go up to object and ungroup it. I do not think that align and distribute is going to work on it because it's at this angle. See, it kind of bumped those up. So what we can do, let's group the whole thing, Control G, and let's rotate it a negative 7.7, having trouble talking in 7.5. Whoop, a negative 7.5. You know what? I need to go one more. I want it on that flat parallel or perpendicular deal. And then that way I can grab this and I can, okay, I've got it all grouped together, group and ungroup, and then make sure this is individual, and they are. So I'm going to grab all those. And because I'm not grabbing the entire part of the other part, they'll do that. And I'll space them out like that. I'll kind of look at it. I'm pretty pleased with that. So now we can actually take away our lines, group this together. I'm actually off a little bit right there, but you'll get the idea. I'm going to bring in the other indexing line. And I can't remember if I made a duplicate yet. I did not. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the X and put it in the center. It doesn't look like it did, but sometimes it does. Now I'm going to rotate it 15 degrees. Control D all the way around. This is a lot easier. And I think if I would have done a little bit better job with this spacing, it would be perfect. And because they're all items now, we can go up here and make them blue or whatever color we want them to be, take away the outline or leave the outline. That's a lot easier. Maybe I could even have started with the same size on this one. Matter of fact, on both of them, and just put it in position. But anyway, let's put the black box around it, kind of make it stand out. Go up to object, order, back a page, and take away our indexing line. And that's it. You know, it's still not as cool as part 3 where I put a little pizzazz to it. Wonder what happens if let's do this. Let's take and add a black outline by putting right clicking, and then let's change this to that same color. Well, then you just get a silhouette of it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and I thank my guru for suggesting something similar to that at least. Thank you for watching.